Hello everybody, this is Sonia. Now I've come on here today because I want to show you I have received another parcel. This is another Happy Mail, and this is from this lovely lady. Her name is Annette Carr and she lives in Tasmania, and she sent me another parcel of goodies. She just likes to send me some parcels of goodies, I guess. Thank you so much, Anita. Thank you. Now I'm going to cut this. I'm a little bit in a bit of an awkward position here today because I'm in the lounge room, but I'm sure I'll manage to get into the parcel. We don't have to worry about that. Oh my goodness me. Oh dear, look. Oh dear, Ned, what have you done here now? Have you got any note? I've got a note. I do love a note. Oh wow, look at the things. Hang on, I'll show you in a minute, and I'll see if I can find a note first. Here's a note. She sent me a note. Thank you very much. Have enclosed some more goodies. I hope you can use them. I picked up some more breads at the local op shop. Some have been used. I've also enclosed my tags for your tag challenge. So sorry I'm late sending them to you. These are the first tags I've ever made, so I hope they are okay. Love watching and learning from you. Thank you. Oh, thank you so much, Annette. I really appreciate that. You've been very, you've spoilt me so very, very much. Tags. Tags, I found some. Look at this. Give me some tags. Wow. Oh, look at this. Oh, wow. Look. Oh, look, everybody. Look at this. Oh, aren't they beautiful? Oh my goodness me, look at the pictures on them. Oh, look at this. Aren't they good? Oh, and there's one inside. Oh, wow. Gee, these are really nice. Oh, I do love them. Oh, oh, Annette, that's beautiful. Isn't that beautiful? Look. I love it. Oh, it's just beautiful. Thank you so much. Oh, dear. I'm going to make myself a journal one day. Oh, look at the rabbit. I'm going to make myself a journal one day, and I'll put these in there. These are going to keep, and they're going to also go in the other thing that I'm going to have to display everybody. Oh, look at that. Oh, isn't it nice? Oh, look at it. Aren't they beautiful? Wow, thank you so much, Annette. These are beautiful. You've done these so well. Oh dear, I can use one in the book that I'm putting them all into, which I haven't got round to doing yet. I don't have the right thing yet to do it. I'm going to have to make something that I hope to do very shortly. So, I don't know, when one thing comes upon you that happens, then other things do to hold up everything you're doing. Look at these. Aren't these absolutely beautiful? Thank you so much. I love them. Absolutely love them. I do love these little pictures. As you know, you all know, I do love these little pictures. Aren't they good? Thank you. They are really lovely, Annette. Thank you so much. I did put you in my giveaway, but I'm sorry you didn't win that. So, but you never know. There's always another chance, another time, and there's always Happy Mail. Oh, look at, she got me. Look at these. Look at this. Oh, look what I got. Oh, look what I got. Oh, my goodness me. Look at this. Do you do all these? Oh, you sent me so many before. So many beautiful things. These are different. She's dyed them all, I think. You do dye them yourself, don't you? Look at that. These butterflies. 2 orange butterflies. I might have to bring this in a bit. There you go. There's 2 orange butterflies. 2 reddy colour ones. Oh, they're reddy. Really beautiful colour, actually. Really beautiful. When I say reddy, it's a really beautiful colour. Look at that. Wow. Oh, I just got to get on with things. I just feel like I need to just start. Well, I have been doing stuff, but you know how things. And this is not close enough here. What am I doing? Oh, look at it. Aren't they nice? And there's purple ones. Oh, wow. Gee, these are nice. These are really looking. These look vintage. Oh, they look vintage, don't they? Look at them. Wow. Oh, aren't they good? Thank you so much. I about Monday. I hope it's Monday. I've been saying that room's going to start being de-stashed a bit, I think. Not of these things, but for things that I don't think I'll ever use. So I'm going to... Oh, look at this. I got a big packet. Look at it. Oh, thank you so much. Oh, dear. Look at this. Oh, I do love these. Thank you so much. Oh, I've got an idea now. Oh, boy, have I got an idea. Thank you. Oh, wouldn't that look so good? Oh, dear, I'll have to get on to that. Aren't they beautiful? Oh, they're so beautiful. Oh, look at this. Wow, this is more open and oh, look at that. Oh, dear, I love that. I love the way you've done this. And you've taken so much time about these. You really have. Thank you so much, Annette. I do love them so much. Oh, dear. Look at that. Oh, wow. I must get some more things made. I've only just finished the next journal. I've just finished that, except for haven't quite finished the cover. But this has inspired me. Oh, geez, it has, because I've been looking at the cover. It's just plain. Oh, look at this. Oh, wow. So you've coloured this, haven't you? Have you? I think you might have did. I think you might have done. I got my computer under this little laptop. I hope I don't push it on the floor. Oh, look at that. Oh, that is beautiful. Oh, I like it. Oh, I do. I love things that are different, you know. Things that are unique. I do love things like that to work with. It sort of gives you lots of inspiration, doesn't it? Anything that's unique. I'm just holding it. I'm going to tuck it back in there. Oh, now when I get them out of the bag, I'll put them into a big box after. There's some red ones and orange ones and pink ones. Wow. I'm spoiled. Look at me. Oh, dear, look at this. Oh, thank you. Dear, look at the colours. You must love doing this dyeing thing. You must do love dyeing it. I don't mind, but I haven't done anything. I wouldn't mind, but I just don't have time to get around to it. Plus, somebody wrote something about, you know, there's not enough time, and as you get older, you don't have enough energy, and that sort of thing with me too. Takes me a longer time to do things than what it used to, you know. You think you're going real fast, but you're not. You think you're doing it really quick, but you're not. Yeah. Oh, I've got a mauve one. Oh, look, it's like the big green piece. Only this is mauve. Oh, look at that. Wow. Oh, thank you. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, I do love the colour of that. Wow. Oh, dear, these are nice. Thank you so much, Annette. I really like all this. I do so. Oh, look, have I got any flowers? Flowers to use. Oh, wow. Look at these. Oh, these are iron-on sort of thing, but I wouldn't... Oh, look at them ones. Oh, my God, I do love these. Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to say that. My goodness, I shouldn't mean to say my goodness. Oh, dear. Look at them, aren't they beautiful? Thank you, thank you, thank you. This is so cool. This is so cool, thank you. Oh, look at them ones. Oh, dear. Annette, you do know what I like, don't you? Look at you. You just do know. Look at this. Isn't this beautiful? I love it. Oh, I do love them all. Oh, thank you. Look at the little ones. Oh, wow. I do love... Oh, these are just the thing, aren't they? Look at these bits. Oh, where am I going to put them? I wouldn't find them. I'll find them in a minute, and I'll be starting to use these any minute now. I'm going to. Got some boxes down there I bought yesterday. I'm going to put some of these in it. I'll put them all in there. So I'm going to look after them, but I don't know if we won't be keeping them forever or anything. I will keep them a while. You know how that is. You got to I'm just going to pack these back here a bit so I can show you. There's more stuff in here. Papers. Oh my goodness, look at the papers. Oh wow. And Brad's. Oh no, I've got more of them. Look, there's heaps more. I suppose I should show you everything. Oh, look at these. Oh, isn't this nice? Look at the purple one. Oh, look at the purple one. Geez, you get some good things at your... I mean, I think this is where you got the opportunity shops. So I didn't... Oh, look at this. Gee, look at the colour. Oh dear, I've got to do a gypsy page now. Gypsy journal. I've got to get onto it. I really have. I do have to get onto the gypsy one. Love them, Annette. Thank you so much, darling. They're beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Thank you. Oh, look at them, aren't they gorgeous? I don't know what you used to dye these with, but by gee, they're good. Now, I've got all these brads here. I don't want to drop them on the floor, but I've still got more flowers. Oh, and more squares. Look at this, I've got squares. Oh, goodness me, look at that. Oh, I love these. Oh, thank you so much. All these beautiful colours. I'll do with squares now, can't I? Oh, you've got me lots of inspiration here. By geez, you've got lots of inspiration. Oh, now isn't this lovely? Thank you so much. And on here I've got all these brads that keep moving away from me. Oh, I see you said they've been used. There's a few missing off the end, but that's okay. Aren't they nice? Look at these square ones. They're really cool, aren't they? I do like them. Thank you so much. Wow. Oh, wow. Thank you. These are really awesome, aren't they? Thank you very much for those. Oh, thank you. And more. Oh, look at these little eyelets. They're cute, aren't they? Oh, and butterflies. Oh, I've got butterflies. Oh, look at that. There's butterflies on there. Oh, actually, I was doing something last night that I might use them on, eh? Too. Wow. I'll just put some of these back in here so it doesn't all go on the floor. I'm putting them back in the bag so I'll be fishing them out any minute. I'm going to turn this off so I can look at them again. Oh, goodness me, this is so nice. Thank you so much, Annette. This is a beautiful, beautiful parcel. You keep sending me all these beautiful things. Oh, got some chipboard. Oh, love that. Thank you for that. Oh dear, I hope you didn't hear my belly growling. That was very embarrassing. Look at this. These are nice, aren't they? Speckly papers. Look at that one. Oh, look at the texture. Can you see that? Look. I've got a lot of those. Wow, they're beautiful. Thank you. Oh, I do love them. And this one, this is nice. Gee, that feels like sort of leathery, doesn't it? Goodness, I've got a bit of that. Oh, I do like this. I wonder what that's made. Is this a handmade paper or something? It's a bit cardstock. Isn't that neat? They make good spines. A bit spine up the back of the books or something. Look at all these little pieces I got in here. Isn't that neat? Very thick too. It's like when I say thick, it's like a cardstock, and it make a good part for the cover. Go really good on the cover of a book. Wow. Oh, these are good. Really pretty pink, blue. Look at that. Did you do these? I wonder if you did these. You could have done. You like the colour things, you could have did that. Because then I've got some purple here. Oh, look at this. It's got holes through it. Look at that. Look at that, isn't that neat? Can you see the holes? See how it's got a... Oh dear, oh, I'm embarrassed now, my stomach. I'm sorry, I can't turn this off. Can you see this? Look at this. Isn't that neat? There you go. See a bit better now. That's nice, isn't it? I've got a few bits of that. Love that. It's beautiful. It's a lot lighter on one side than it is on the other. That'll make lovely, oh, I don't know, tuck spots or pages on pages, and oh my goodness me, look at this. Isn't this beautiful? Oh, and she's given me a whole heap of this too. Thank you so much. Look at that. That'll be nice for a gypsy one. I've got all them pages, and they're all beautifully done. And this one here, oh, look at this. This is not wallpaper, is it? Is this wallpaper? I don't think it is. It's beautiful paper. I know I've seen a lady over in America showing us the wallpaper kits that she has. Oh, I don't know. Well, there's no way I could find any paper like that here in Australia. Look at these ones. This is nice, isn't it? Oh, thank you so much for these. Annette, these are really, really beautiful. Thank you so much. I do like them. I do like them. And this, I'm just really partial to that and that. Where you got these from? They're like they're handmade or something, you know. They feel, they're very thick and really nice, soft. Like, I can't sort of explain it. Beautiful texture they are. Absolutely beautiful. Thank you so much for this absolutely wonderful parcel and these beautiful tags that you made. Thank you so much. I love these tags. I really, really do. I just think they're really awesome. Such beautiful things you've made. Thank you so much for that. I really love these. Thank you so much. Thank you, Annette. I really appreciate you sending me all these lovely goodies. You really are spoiling me. And thank you everybody for watching. And please subscribe to my channel and put a nice thumbs up. That'd be nice for Annette. It's so kind of her to share her things with me. Any of you that have absolutely shared your stuff with me, it's so very kind, and I really appreciate it, because of all the stuff that I've got here, I don't have any. Maybe I have a couple of little eyelets. There's always different things out there, isn't there? You know, when I say a couple of the little eyelets, I might have some of them that colour, but I haven't got any of this other stuff that she sent me. So that's really good, isn't it, to get things that you don't have and are not likely to be able to find. It's really good to get things like that. Anyway, so thank you all for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.